Join Stella Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparation. Register today for Stellar Talent Search exam. Admissions are open for repeaters medical batch for NEET 2021.
Now, with the efforts of various teams of South Goa Police, we have been able to arrest both the assailants who were involved in yesterday's shootout. Both of them are being interrogated about the further details of the case, about their motives, preparation and conduct. Once all the facts we gather, after that we will share with you. Okay?
Sir,
We are investigating further.
they are contract killers as per.
As I said, we'll share with you. We are investigating and we are interrogating them.
They have confessed to them.
Yes.
Motive behind this.
Sorry?
What is the motive behind it, sir?
Let us please allow us to investigate totally and then we'll share.
Okay, sir.